Gemini Canvas is a side-by-side workspace where you can build real apps, games, and documents just by describing them. No coding required. Here's how to start vibe coding today. Head to Gemini on your desktop. Right below the prompt bar, click the tools, then click the Canvas button. Now, let's build an app. I'll ask Gemini to create a Spotify mood streamer app with a dark theme and mood buttons. This opens the side-by-side view. The left side is where you talk to Gemini, and the right side is your interactive playground where your creation actually comes to life. Watch the right side. Gemini writes the code and renders a functional prototype immediately. You can actually click the buttons and interact with the app right here in the browser. If you want to change something, just ask. I'll tell it to make the copy button green and add a volume slider. The app updates in seconds. When you're done, use the share button to grab a link and show off your work. Canvas is just as powerful for documents. I'll paste a prompt for a Spotify Student Premium marketing proposal. Gemini generates a full business document on the right, complete with an executive summary, audience data, and even formatted budget tables. It's a massive head start on your paperwork. The best part is the collaboration. If you want to add a risk analysis section, just ask in the chat on the left. You can also edit the document directly on the right. Highlight any text to bring up the floating toolbar, where you can ask Gemini and enter your prompt, change the length, or change the tone in one click. Once your project is perfect, use the Create menu in the top right to turn your work into a final web page or infographic. Whether you're building tools or writing strategy, Canvas handles the heavy lifting. Hit like and subscribe for more AI tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.